Ever feel na blessed ka naman pero parang may hinihintay pa si Lord para ma-unlock yung next level mo? Look at Jacob. He was blessed, but he became even more blessed when he obeyed God's instruction. Jacob wasn't broke. He wasn't unlucky. He wasn't forgotten. In fact, God blessed him everywhere he went. Pero in Genesis 31, God told Jacob something important. Return to the land of your fathers, and I will be with you. Jacob obeyed, even if it was risky, even if it didn't make sense, even if it meant facing Esau na posibleng galit pa sa kanya. Remember, din lang niya si Esau for the birthright. And what happened? God protected him. God multiplied him. God restored relationships. God increased him even more. And later, in John 4, we discover something wild. Jacob's well was still giving water hundreds of years after. Legacy level blessing to, mga Lods. Generational provision. Why? Because obedience positions you for supernatural increase. Jacob was blessed, but he was more blessed when he followed God's voice. Obedience doesn't earn blessing. It aligns you to receive it. So today, my friend, listen to God's leading. Follow His direction. Trust His voice. Declare this, I am blessed, and obedience unlocks the next level. Comment mo dyan, my friend. Lord, I will follow your voice. Like, subscribe, and share para mas marami pa ang ma-encourage to walk in obedience that leads to overflowing blessing. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.